Hey everyone! Today we're tackling the question many DIY enthusiasts face. Is it cheaper to buy a garden shed kit, or is it cheaper to build one from scratch? Well, we've done the research, we've crunched the numbers, and we're excited to share our findings with you. We'll be comparing one of our most popular sheds, a 1.5 by 3 metre skillion roof shed from Sheds for Less, with the cost of building the same shed using raw materials sourced from Bunnings. Using Bunnings means that we will use the best possible price. First, let's look at the pre-made kit option. A 1.5 by 3 metre skillion roof shed from Sheds for Less retails for $1,347. This comes with all the parts you need, pre-cut, pre-drilled and ready to assemble. Sheds for Less has a no more to pay price philosophy, so that you know that you won't have to buy anything extra for your project. Now for the DIY route. We've broken down every component needed to build this shed from scratch and looked them up on the Bunnings website in July 2024, which is today. And here's what we've found. To make a 3 metre wall with no door, it'll cost $211.15 in parts. A 1.5 metre wall with no door, $115.56. A 1.5 by 3 metre roof is going to cost $286.46. A 1.5 metre wall with a door, $251.19. And a 3 metre wall with double doors, $386.74. This is a total raw material cost of $1,251. So at first glance, building from scratch is going to save you $96. That's about 7% savings compared to the kit price. However, it's just not about the money. Building from scratch requires significant time and effort. Building a shed from scratch means that you'll have to have some additional tools. You'll need tin snips and an angle grinder for trimming. You'll need rulers and a set squares for measurements and angles. You'll need a set of woodworking tools to build the ply skillion roof infills. And you'll need a vise and some sheet metal benders for the door ramps. And here's what you'll need to do. You'll need to drill 360 holes. You'll need to measure, mark and fabricate 62 wall, roof and door channels. And you'll need to create 5 roof infills from plywood. You'll also need to measure, trim and drill 18 sheets of steel for the walls and roof, and then you'll have to fabricate 3 door ramps and 3 doors. These tasks require tools, skills and time that are not factored into the raw material cost. In my opinion, this would take a competent DIYer an additional 1 to 2 days to complete. Now let's weigh up the pros and cons. For the kit, everything is pre-cut, pre-drilled and ready to assemble. This saves time and labour, and there's no need for any specialised tools. However, the cons are it is a bit more expensive up front, that's the $96, and there's slightly less customisation options, although the Sheds for Less sheds are designed for modifications like changing the hinging and the positioning of doors, or even the way the roof slopes. Now, what are the pros and cons of building a shed from scratch? Well, it's slightly cheaper. You have full customization control. And you've got the satisfaction of building it yourself. But the cons are, it's very time consuming. It requires tools and skills that you may not have. And there's a fairly high potential for making mistakes. In conclusion, while building from scratch can save you a bit of money, the time and the effort required significantly outweighs the savings for many people. Your decision on whether that you buy or build from scratch should depend on your skills, your available time, and how much you enjoy DIY projects. What do you think? Would you buy the kit or would you build from scratch? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you found this comparison helpful. Check out the other videos on our channel. We want to make buying and building a garden shed as easy as possible. Thanks for watching.